Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Forgive the mushy area here. It should say difference of two squares. Let's take a listen.
So two squares. Difference of two squares. If you ever see a calculation or an equation that looks like this, x plus 5 times x minus 5, you should recognize this form as essentially the difference of two squares. The answer is x squared minus 25. So when you see this formula, for example, simplify it, a plus b, a minus b, do not use the FOIL method. Again, do not use the FOIL method. You should be able to determine immediately whether or not the difference of two squares is an operation. So this is the difference of two squares, because it's going to give you that one. We'll take example n plus 9, n minus 9. It's going to give you n squared minus 81. That is the difference of two squares. Same for this one. 7y minus 1. 7y plus 1 equals 49y squared minus 1. Again, difference of two squares. Thanks for watching.
Now let's take a look at some of these equations at Wolfram Alpha and see how they graph. Let's try the first one, n plus 9, n plus 9 times n minus 9. And question is, what do you think? Is it going to be a mountain or a cup? Well, it's a cup, because it's positive. If we put a negative in front of that, put a negative, it'll make it into a mountain. Eventually, it will do so. Taking a little longer than normal. Taking a lot longer than normal. Well, we might have to abandon ship on this one. Or we can F5 it and refresh the page. See if that changes anything. Yeah, okay, good. No, not good, because it didn't take the input. Let's try that again. That looks better. Much better. Alright, and there's our mountain. So negative is a mountain, positive is a cup in our parabolas. And we have the alternate forms down there, 81 minus n squared, which, if you recall, is right there, which is where we started. Although it's saying that n squared minus 81 is the alternate form. Let's try n squared minus 81 up here. See if it changes anything. Again, it's positive, so it should be a cup, which it is, and the alternate form, n minus 9, n plus 9, which is what we had here. So it doesn't matter with a difference of two squares. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.